This Timothy Toye and Associates property video is presented by Emry. Large single wide in 55+ park, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. Large kitchen with breakfast bar, bay window, 2 pantries and plenty of space for entertaining. Entry has newer ramps for wheelchair access, to the street and to the backyard off the deck. Tandem carport for covered parking and shed for storage. Cosmetic work needed, home is in good shape. For more information, review the details below or contact Emry at 707-263-2052.